everyone, my name is Bhagyalakshmi Jinnuru. I have gained the Masters in Microbiology at Ramnaryan Ruia College in Mumbai, where I worked on the project named the Bacteriocins and its activity against different pathogens. During my Masters, I have also gained the internship experiences where I worked at Dr. Avinash Phadke Labs, where I gained experiences like molecular biology techniques and microbiological techniques. During my summer internship, I have gained experiences in Institute of Chemical Technology in Mumbai, where I worked on the Fusarium species and its protein expression part. Currently, I am enrolled in a bioinformatics internship at Biotechnical Labs, where I am working on a project named monkeypox virus and designing a vaccine against it using a bioinformatics tools like Clustal Omega W, muscle, and protein structure prediction tools like this IEDB and NetMHC PAN, where I learned to predict the protein structures of the virus envelope proteins, and where I can design a vaccine using the bioinformatics tools, where I can learn its immunogenic response in our body. During my internship, I worked with the Clustal Omega W or protein structure prediction tools, Chimera, and molecular docking tools, where I learned all the basics of these bioinformatics tools. And later on, I'm also learning this Python and R programming tools, where it helped me to build the structures of the proteins, and also this graphs building with the R programming tools. Later on, Dr. Ilamati ma'am guided me with the structure report and a detailed project plan, where I learned all the bioinformatics tools. I'm truly grateful for the entire team of the Biotechnical Labs giving me this opportunity to learn, and my career goal is to focus in R&D, where I can learn all those vaccine development, drug design, and AI driven bioinformatics. And during my offline bioinformatics internship, Dr. Ilamati ma'am, she has been very helpful, and she always helped in solving the doubts and sessions, and every time whenever I go to her, she always prepared me in a better way, and so that I can learn all the bioinformatics tools and coding as well. This internship has been a significant step in expanding my skill set in microbiology, and it helped me bridging the gap between the computational tools and the wet lab research. This course actually helped me in gaining the job opportunities as well in the bioinformatics field as well as in the microbiology field. After enrolling at offline internship course in Biotechnical Labs, it's helping me to get myself as a placement trainee. Truly, I'm grateful for this Biotechnical teams. Thank you.